We will now demonstrate how you can change the capacity setting for your multi-ampere hour batteries. There are two different designs of batteries in circulation. However, changing the capacity works the same in both cases. A single press on the button will display the currently set capacity for you. In this case, it was 100%, which means it is fully charged and has 8 ampere hours. Just press it again and you'll see 100% charge, 8 ampere hours. If we now want to switch the capacity to 5 ampere hours, we must press and hold the button for 6 seconds. The timer starts now, and at the number 5, because we want 5 ampere hours, we press briefly. The timer then runs until the end. And now we see that we have switched to 5 ampere hours. To switch back to 8 ampere hours, do the whole thing again, with the difference that we switch at 8, so press and hold for 6 seconds. The timer starts, and at number 8, press briefly. And now we switched back to 8 ampere hours. Why switch between 5 and 8 ampere hours at all? At 8 ampere hours, we use the full capacity and thereby increase the runtime. This is especially recommended for power-intensive tasks, such as battery-powered lawn mowing or battery-powered angle grinding. With 5 ampere hours, we conserve the battery. This is because we are operating in the range of 20 to 80%, which corresponds to the optimal usage range for lithium-ion batteries. This significantly increases the lifespan. This applies to all our multi-ampere hour batteries. If the battery is not needed for a longer period, it is recommended to store it in a dry environment, at room temperature, and at half charge. Further information about our batteries can be found in the battery guide or on our website.